Hi! In front of me is Tecno Camon 18 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Begin by opening Settings. Then scroll down just a bit and click on Security. Following that, scroll down again, tap on Screen Lock and choose one of those login methods. Swipe pattern, PIN or password. Now read the disclaimers and choose Next. Over here you need to create your login method. If you change your mind, you can always click on Clear at the bottom left corner and enter it again. Then choose Next, repeat it in order to confirm it and tap on Confirm. Now select one of those options to manage screen lock notifications. Show notification content shows notifications but hide content, or don't show lock screen notifications. I will go with Show notification content. Then choose Done and click on Home button. Now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!